students, and a warm welcome to Supergrads. And after a long time, again, we are back with another eligibility criteria of a particular college. And yes, it is none other than FMS Delhi. So, we would be talking about the eligibility criteria for FMS Delhi, that is for the batch of 2024 to 2026. Now, these are those students who've already written their CAT 2023 examination and have been shortlisted for FMS Delhi और कौन सा किस process से वो go through हुए हैं, what is the weightage assigned to each and every area, we would be talking about that. Now, few reasons why you should be targeting this particular college, especially for the CAT 2024 or maybe CAT 2025 aspirants. Why few reasons why you should target this particular college. Reason number one, that the ROI is really great. As you all know, FMS Delhi is popularly known for its ROI. The fees is 2 lakhs and the average package is 34 LPA. So one major reason is this. Second reason is the college is not looking into your past academics. So past academics को during when you're shortlisted for interview, उस टाइम पे पास्ट एकेडमिक्स को कंसिडरेशन नहीं दिया जाता है, रादर द मेजर वेटेज इज गिवन टू योर कैट स्कोर. सो नाउ हियर यू हैव टू इंश्योर कि आप 100% जो है अपना कैट के एग्जाम को दो. स्पेशली अभी जो 2024 वाले एस्पिरेंट्स है ये उनके लिए है, दैट यू हैव टू इंश्योर दैट यू गेट अ 99 परसेंटाइल anyhow if you want to go into this particular college, because it's a dream college for a lot of MBA aspirants. Third reason is that it is affiliated to Delhi University. So एक और reason है to join this particular B school. So now let us quickly start with the eligibility criteria. Let us quickly understand the eligibility criteria of this particular college. So very first condition that is a bare minimum condition that you need to have is that you need to have a bachelor's degree if you are applying for FMS Delhi. और उसका स्कोर जो होना चाहिए एटलीस्ट 50% मार्क्स यू शुड हैव इन योर बैचलर्स डिग्री. Another thing over here is now they have also given for the SC ST के लिए भी दिया हुआ है कि 45% होना चाहिए for SC ST and for CW here stands for children and widow. So it's given over here कि OBC non-creamy layer, EWS, PWD and CW के लिए minimum 45% marks आपके होने चाहिए 10th, 12th and graduation में. Another thing over here is equivalent candidates appearing for final year examination who have not completed their bachelor's degree can also apply. So of course अभी आप third year में होगे जो अपना graduation अभी pursue ही कर रहे हैं, so even you guys can apply to FMS Delhi. This criteria I'm sure you are aware of. ये सारे एग्जाम्स पे भी इम्प्लाई होता है, प्लस ये जितने भी बी स्कूल्स में आप अप्लाई करोगे सब जगह इम्प्लाई होता है. नेक्स्ट, applicants with CGPA scores must indicate the equivalent percentage of marks and furnish a copy of the official CGPA to percentage conversion table of the concerned university or institution. So suppose if your university or your institution is giving you मार्क्स इन CGPA, अगर आपका CGPA में रिजल्ट है तो आपको एक कन्वर्जन सर्टिफिकेट भी लेना पड़ेगा from the university. You need to submit that conversion certification during the time when you're filling the फॉर्म फॉर FMS Delhi. जब आपके लिए इंटरव्यू के कॉल्स आएंगे या जब सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपको सबमिट करने पड़ेंगे, सो उस टाइम पे यू विल हैव टू इंश्योर कि आप ये कन्वर्जन सर्टिफिकेट भी दो कि किस तरीके से CGPA टू परसेंटेज में जो है आपका यूनिवर्सिटी पूरा कन्वर्जन फॉर्मूला फॉलो करते हैं. सो दिस इज अनदर डॉक्यूमेंट. सो आई होप ऑल द CAT 2024 एस्पिरेंट्स, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि जितनी भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं आप अभी से कलेक्ट करके रख लो, सो दैट एंड मोमेंट पे when you need to apply for the B schools, you do not have to, hustle here and there. So if these documents are there with you, your mark sheets, all your important documents are there with you, so it would be easier for you to go ahead with the processes ahead. So make sure कि ये conversion certificate वाला जो एक document है ये आपके पास होना चाहिए, because it is mandatory for this process. Again, FMS Delhi के forms अभी out नहीं हुए हैं. They generally open in January. Maybe you can say in the first week or second week of January में FMS Delhi जो है अपने फॉर्म्स ओपन करता है, सो कैट के बाद ही ओपन होते हैं फॉर्म्स, सो यू कैन अप्लाई लेटर आफ्टर यू विल गेट योर कैट रिजल्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. Next, if we see how are the candidates shortlisted for the interview process, किस तरीके से shortlist होते हैं. So a weighted score shall be computed giving weightage of 40, 30, 30 to the scores of VARC, DILR and logical reasoning and QA. So maximum weightage is given to VARC over here. So all the aspirants, I would say, please buckle up and make sure कि आप अपने जो VARC के लिए जो तैयारी कर रहे हो वो बहुत अच्छे से करो, बिकॉज यहाँ FMS दिल्ली मैक्सिमम वेटेज देता है टू VARC. सो एज यू कैन सी 40% वेटेज is given to your VARC and remaining 30 weightage is given to DILR and QA का जो weightage है वो equal है. Next, additional 5 marks shall be added to the weighted score of women candidates to be shortlisted for the interview process. So, जब interview process के लिए shortlist करेंगे, so they are giving additional marks to all the women candidates, so all the female aspirants out there. Please ensure कि you do apply for FMS Delhi. So please ensure कि आप CAT के लिए भी अच्छे से preparation करो. You get a good score because you guys have an advantage over here. Next, let us look at the final selection criteria. So जो भी candidates हैं जो interview के लिए shortlist हुए हैं on the basis of their CAT scores, what are the criteria or what is the weightage assigned to each and every area? Let us look into that as well. So maximum weightage is definitely given to your CAT score. 50% weightage आपके CAT के score को दिया जाता है यहाँ पे. So maximum weightage CAT score को दिया जा रहा है. तो I hope you understand कि you need to give your best in your CAT 2024 exam so that you get a call, interview call from FMS Delhi. Next, marks obtained in 10th. As you can see, 10% is what they assign the marks to the 10th में आपके जितने मार्क्स आए उसको 10% वेटेज दिया. नाउ हियर अ कंडीशन इज गिवन कि 60% एंड अबव है, अगर आपके परसेंटेज इज 60% एंड अबव, बट इफ इट इज लेस देन 75, सो इफ इट इज बिटवीन 60 to 75 के बीच में है, सो देन यू गेट अ 5% वेटेज ओवर हियर. अगर 75 से अबव है देन यू विल गेट 10%. Same implies to class 12th as well. Same condition is for class 12th criteria as well. 60 से 75 के बीच में अगर आपका percentage है class 12th का, so you would be getting 5% marks. अगर 75 से ऊपर है, so you will be getting 10% marks. Now here there will be a discussion on statement of purpose as well. Now जब आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए कॉल आएगा, so you will also have to fill a SOP, that is statement of purpose. You will have to write a lot of things about yourself. So वो चीज आपको इंश्योर करना है, आप बहुत केयरफुली लिखो, बिकॉज 10% वेटेज आपके SOP को भी दिया जाता है. So that discussion will happen at the time of the interview. Next is extempore. Now FMS Delhi also has extempore round जिसको 5% weightage दिया जाता है, as in they'll give you a topic and you need to speak on that topic. So 5% weightage is assigned to extempore. Next is personal interview. Now personal interview को again maximum weightage दिया है, that is 15% weightage is given to the interview round. So you have to ensure that you give your best even during the interview round. So कुछ चीजें जो अभी हमारे हाथ में हैं, that is our CAT score. So पहली चीज तो ये इंश्योर करनी है कि we give our best in CAT, because FMS Delhi का जो कट ऑफ है for general category students, especially 99 percentile and above जाता है. So we need to give the best, our best in CAT exam. Next, you need to now you cannot change your 10th and 12th scores, even if you did not have a great academics, तो हम 10th और 12th का स्कोर जाके चेंज तो नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस and extempore round and interview round is in your hands, so you can give your best over there. Now here an additional 5 marks shall be awarded to the women candidates who appear for the interview. So interview में again female candidates के लिए additional 5 marks are given to the female candidates out there. Okay, students, so that was it with regards to the eligibility criteria of FMS Delhi. I'm sure now you guys might be relieved that all you need to do is focus on the CAT 2024 preparation, because there are few colleges who do not give that much weightage to your CAT, do not give much weightage to your 10th, 12th, or graduation score, but rather they are entirely focused on your CAT scores. I've also made a video on the same regarding the colleges that do not consider or give much weightage to your past academics. So I'm putting the link for the same in the description box. You can check that out. And for more updates, be school updates, exam updates, and practicing daily questions, you can join our Telegram channel. So the QR is given over here. You can scan this particular QR and join our Telegram channel. You can also follow us on Instagram to stay updated with all the updates. And please, if you're here on the channel for the first time, do subscribe to our channel because a lot of things are coming up right now. B school के application forms भी open होंगे. So if you do not want to miss out on anything, do subscribe to our channel. And for any queries, any doubts, any thing that you have in your mind with regards to your CAT preparation, with regards to any B school or any specialization, then do let us know in the comment section below. Till then, stay tuned to Supergrads.